Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. So, before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I really truly mean that from the bottom of my heart, because I know that my channel has been everywhere here lately. With all the new things that I've been bringing in. So, all I can do is say thank you, and yeah, just stay tuned, because like I said, you just never know what I'm gonna be unboxing, unbagging. I've got all kinds of stuff going on. So, with that being said, this is a, PR package from DPClubs, and I've already opened the bag, but I've not took anything out, so I'm just going to go ahead and take what's in here out. I've only got three kits in here. I'm going to get rid of the bag, but we are going to do, let me put these over here out of the way. We're going to do this one first. So, let me bring y'all down just a little. So, on DPClubs, I did notice that they are doing a October special right now. And I think what it is if you spend, like, over $50, you get, like, free shipping or something. Y'all need to go check it out. Plus, they've got all their new kits have come out. They've got their Christmas, their Halloween, their fall, Thanksgiving. Plus, they're just their regular kits and stuff. But they've got some really cute stuff out. So, this is a special drill. It is a partial. But as you can see, if my lighting will cooperate, it is all crystals. There's some special shapes in there. But it does come with a normal, regular toolkit, which is your green boat, your pink wax, and a pink pen, which is all you need to do any diamond painting. So, there's that. And let me see if I can adjust my lighting just a little bit. Alright, so this is what I got, because, you know, the holidays are coming, and I thought this was cute. Plus, I am trying to find some new things to do, because it seems like in my stash, as they call it, I just have, like, the same stuff over and over again, just different colors. Okay, so, anyway, I thought this was so pretty, but it is a Christmas angel, but on their website, it is called an Elegant Lady, but this is a 30 by 40, and it is a special shape, and it is $5.79, and as you can see, it has 9 colors. It has like your crystals, and then there's your special shapes, and it has their coating. And I thought this was just really pretty, and like I said, it's very Christmassy, and you know, I just thought it was pretty. I mean, I like the greens and the reds, and I thought her dress was very pretty. Very sticky. And like I said, it's a partial, so none of the background. You don't have to do any of that. But I just love partials. And I love the special shapes. And these are just fun. Plus, they're great for gifts, especially if you know people who don't really have a lot of time to diamond paint, but they do like it, or somebody who's never diamond painted before, and they'd like to try it, but they don't know if they'd like it. These are the type of canvases that will hook them, because they're fun, they're not that big, plus, you know, who doesn't like these? I mean, they're pretty, and if you put these in front of somebody who has never diamond painted before, and they do these, and then they say, ooh, I don't like diamond painting, then they won't do anything else. They'll not do a full round or a full square. If they don't like a special partial, they'll not like a full. So here are the colors, and they are very pretty. And then here we start with the special shapes, and I love these. The ones that are very iridescent. And then we've got stars, which are going to go... Where are the stars going to go? What are the stars? Let's see. They're number 9. So they're going to go right here. They're just thrown into her dress. Everywhere you see a star. Excuse me. Still getting over being sick. So, but yeah, this one I thought was pretty. And like I said, $5.79 on DPClubs. And I thought it was going to be a good one for Christmas. Because, you know, during the holidays we're busy. But if you're a seasoned diamond painter, you're still going to diamond paint, even though you got 1,500 things you're doing on the side. You're still going to take 5 minutes out to place some drills. So these things are really, really good for, you know, if you're busy. Okay, so the next one I got, let's see, was this one, because I thought he was cute. Alright, and again, it's just a partial, and it's got a regular toolkit with it. Special drills. We'll look at those in a second. And this one is just a little 30 by 30. And he's just a cute little turtle. And that's what he's called, Turtle. That was the name of the kit. And again, $5.79. DPClubs. Very sticky. See if I can get him flattened out just a little bit. Alright. So, looks like he's got 10 colors. But I thought he was cute. And I apologize for the glare. And it looks like where they cut him, they just messed up. You just need to snip that off with a pair of scissors. But isn't he cute? And there's a whole series of these. I might just try to get these because they're cute. And I think my grandkids would like these. But we don't do any of the background back here. The only thing that we do, well, we do all of it except for the background. But let's see what these look like. And again, for $5.79, it's not bad price at all. So we've got a big fat bag of these. These are almost like a champagne color. I like that blue. And then look, we get into these little half pearls. And then we got these great big ones here. And then these blue ones. So these are number 7. So the little half pearls are going to go on his feet. And up here in these flowers. So it's going to be cute. Very, very cute. I know I'm kind of going fast. But like I said, this one was $5.79 also. But I just thought it was cute. Very sticky and very clear. The other one's very clear too. We don't do his little nose. Almost looks like a dog nose. It's cute. Alright, so there's that one. I'll just set it right there too. So the last one that I got, let's see if I can get this one. Now this one is a 40 by 40. And it was $6.79 for this one. And it's going to be in the small bags, it looks like. Which is not a big deal. Nobody likes these things. But I just take them and I fold them over. Because these little bags hold 200 drills. And what I do is I just fold them over and snip the top of it off, dump them out, and there you go. Just dump them in a container. But I mean, they don't look bad. They're just a pain because there's so many bags. So, it also comes with just your normal toolkit. But this is the image that I got. And again, I apologize about the glare. Let me see if I can get some of the wrinkles out of this one. But I seen this one, I thought it was cute. And these are all poured glue. Now this one is a full round. So this one we're going to do the whole thing. Alright. So this is the image. Like I said, she's a 40 by 40. There's 23 colors, DMC charted, and it looks like it's all the alphabet. But it looks like it's rendered pretty good. And it's pretty clear that I can see looking through my camera. Of course, I'm doing this video I'm looking at my clock right now, and I'm Central Time, and it's 8:08 at night. So, it's a little dark in my room, other than my light that I'm using. But I thought this was cute. And she's eating a thing of popcorn, and you can see the flowers in the background. And you could do this for anything. This could be a 4th of July. This could be her, you know, watching a 3D movie. Who knows? Y'all remember back in the day when the 3D movies first came out, and we had those 3D glasses, and one side would be red, and one side would be blue. That's what this puts me in mind of. I know I'm old. But, yeah, this one was, what did I say? Where'd it go? $6.79, and this one is called Girl Holding Popcorn. But I thought it was cute. And then there's the thumbnail. And then it has a schematic on the top left, bottom right. But I thought it was cute. So, this is what I got from, let me bring y'all back up a little bit, from DPClubs. And like I said, y'all go check them out because they are running a special right now. On their website. Plus, they have got all their Halloween and their Christmas canvases out, and they have got new stuff, and they don't just have diamond painting, they also have other things, so definitely go check them out. So, I just want to say thank you to Emily for sending these to me to show to all of y'all, and I will leave the links to these in my description box, and I hope they are still in stock. So, yeah. So, please make sure you do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and why not? It's free, doesn't cost anything, and if you're already sitting here watching this, you might as well just go ahead and hit the button. So, anyway, until my next video, y'all, I guess that's all I got, and I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.